Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to save your Canva design. Now let's say you want to create a new design. After opening up your Canva, you can use the one from the website or the app you downloaded on your PC. Then you tap on home. So don't forget to sign in. I'm already signed in over here. Then you choose the design you want to save. Let's say you want to create a new design. You can create a new design and then when you're through you save it by tapping on create a design. Let's say I want to create this type of design, Photoshop photography stuff. Now let's say I want to do this. I like this. I don't want to change anything, but you can change stuff. For example, the name. You can change the name. Now let us say, work and write the vlog. So once I'm through with this, I want to save my design. Simply go up here and click on share, and then you click on download, and then you choose where the file type you want to lead into. This is JPG, which is best for sharing, PNG, which is best for complex images and illustrations, PDF standard, which is best for documents and emailing, PDF print, which is best for printing. Then we also have the SVG, which is the best for web design animations, but you can see you have to be a pro user to be able to use it. We also have the MP4 video, which is high quality video, GIF for short clip with no sound, and PPTX for Microsoft PowerPoint documents. So you choose the one you want. I want to use PNG. The Canva always suggests the best to use anyway, but just in case you don't want to float there, you can choose another one. Then you choose the size you want. As you can see, I want one. I can decide to make it more than one, but as you can see, I'm limited because I want a PNG picture. So next, limit the size to how many kilobytes you want. You can type it here. Now let's do that again. Share, download. Then you can decide to compress the file. But all these options, if you look at it up from this first one of this size all the way to transparent background, they are all for pro. So you need to be a premium user. Canva premium users will do any of this editing. So next preference, you can save download sections if you want. Then you click on download Canva Pro. So like I said, I don't have Canva Pro, that's why I can't download this. But if you have Canva Pro, you can actually download yours. So I can download it normally, but not this particular type of file. So let's show you how you can do that. For example, we'll open an existing file, one I've done already, for you to see. For example, this one. I've done this already. So it's a website design kind of stuff. Yes, I have not edited it that much, but I want to use this as an example. Now, let's see if I can download this. So it has 8 pages. I can see. I can tap on download. I will download it down here. You can see it here. And you can also create a public view link if it's a website or it's not, whatever. So that's it. Once it is true, I'm able to access it. It's as simple as that. So that is how to download and save your Canva design from Canva, whether using the website or the PC or the app on your PC. So it's as simple as that. So let's see if we can access it outside Canva. So this is outside Canva. So it was downloaded as a zip file. So I have a video on how to extract a file from how to get a design or something from zip file. I'll go check the title, but there's actually done something like that, so you can please go check out. Just type zip file in this channel to search for it. So that's it. I think I should be able to also access it through the downloads. Let's go to the downloads. So let's see, this is it. I'll access it through the file. Okay, let's open it up. Let's open it up by extracting it. Extract and replace file. Extract the existing file only. No file says, oh, I haven't clicked on it. So this is it. These are the 8 designs actually. So let's see if we can open them up. And this is the first page, as you can see. So So the second page, you click on it one after the other, and you see all the files. It's as simple as that. That for this particular one, but yours shouldn't be this way. Another than zip file, so you don't have to worry about zip file. Depends on what the design is. Like they said, the best one for websites is actually not the PNG, but I can also show it to you. The best file is not the PNG. The best for websites is this is PDF standard, printing, sharing. It seems the other ones are not showing up for now. This is its SVG, which is the best for web design and animation. This is been the best for me to use, but it's for pro. But you can try it for free for 30 days by posting your card details and stuff. So just follow this to know how to do for the next 30 days free trial for you to enjoy Canva Pro or Premium in this case. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to this channel for more helpful tips like this people talk every day. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye for now.